I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero till the end of the night. He's gotta be strong, and he's gotta be fast, and he's gotta be larger than life.
Hey guys, how's it going? It is I, the real Randy Chavez. I'm coming at you today with a Tesla stock update video. We did it, pants. We did it, friends. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about or haven't seen the news lately, Elon Musk is now the richest person in the world. This news brought to us today by via Twitter. How did Elon respond? How strange. Well, back to work. In the past, Elon had also said, about half my money is intended to help problems on Earth and half to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars to ensure continuation of life of all species. In case Earth gets hit by a meteor like the dinosaurs or World War III happens and we destroy ourselves. End quote. Lex Fridman even responded in how to do this. Step 1, you build things people love. And step 2, profit. Not only did they go up by the additional 1.6 I said they needed yesterday in order for this to happen, but they got up over $800 a share today. That is $4,000 pre-split. Because Tesla shot up so much today, there is a good chance that ARK has to liquidate some of her shares. Kathy Wood from ARK. Just because you can't have more than 10% in her portfolio. So don't be surprised if she sells some next week. This is still a buy, in my opinion. Again, read the descriptions, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing. But I am not surprised that the stock has hit 4K per share pre-split. All of this coming before Q4 financials. We have a lot of catalysts in the near future that are already cooked in. Other analysts will follow Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas's price target and raise their price target as well. We have Biden's energy plan as well, which is now pretty much a guaranteed thing since he has both the House and the Senate. And this way he can get a good tax credit in for anyone that wants to buy an electric vehicle. Even though Tesla already has the best bang for their buck, not everyone can afford a $60,000 dual motor Cybertruck with full self-driving. But after a $7,000 tax credit, and maybe they just don't get the full self-driving buying it outright, they might just do a subscription service instead of it. It'll be much more affordable, especially with that $7,000 tax credit or whatever tax credit Biden gives us. As of right now, it's currently $10,000 for the additional full self-driving. The Cybertruck also doesn't need a casting machine for the vehicle. Its steel exoskeleton pretty much means that Tesla won't have to set up any expensive paint machinery or hire anyone to work it or pay for the actual inventory for the paint because, again, you're just not going to need it. It's going to have stainless steel. The glass is another thing that'll save money on because the glass is flat and not curved. They can just use the glass as it comes. It should save them, all in all, about $20,000 per Cybertruck. So what they'll probably do in the future is they'll probably knock the price down a little bit, especially as competition comes. I know we all laugh when other competition comes. They do come, although the competition is really meh. Like, it's not going to affect any Tesla sales. They're not going to take away from Tesla sales. They'll just take away from internal combustion engine sales. So moving on to a article by Chamath Palihapitiya. Oh, I got it. Yes. I'd never say his name right. But basically, what he says is, Tesla has established itself as a main player in the alternative energy business over the last few years. While the company is most known for its vehicles, which are the most popular battery-powered cars globally, the energy sector, something that I have preached weekly, gets little recognition from the investment firms. However, investors are well aware of the impact the company has on the solar energy and the energy storage market. In Q3 2020, Tesla saw a 111% increase with solar, with 57 megawatts being deployed compared to only 27 in Q2 of 2020. Additionally, energy storage also increased by 81% from 419 megawatts in Q2 2020 to 759 megawatts in Q3. The company disclosed in its Q3 update letter. Tesla's also been able to cut the cost of its solar panels, making them 1/3 as expensive as the national average. The company has been able to make its solar program more affordable by cutting costs, like doing away with salespeople. Palihapitiya is a longtime Tesla investor, for those of you that don't know, but he's pretty keen on the idea of the energy business taking off within the next few years. Growing support for the alternative energy set has Tesla set up for a huge future, especially considering their solar panels and energy storage options are more affordable than competitor options. Now, there are trillions of dollars of bonds and catbacks of value sitting inside the energy generation infrastructure of the world that is going to go upside down when what Tesla has appears. He says Tesla will double and triple again. And this was today. I'll actually, I can't even show you the clip because I think I'll get the video taken down. But this is something that I'm 100% on board with. Those of you that don't know. Let's move on to the stock and see exactly what it did today. Where are we? Yeah, all the market was up today. Oh, T-Doc. Told you all about T-Doc. Right, there we go. On here. Meow. Oh, that's a beautiful number. It had reached over 8% at one time because it was... Oh, maybe it wasn't over 8%. Either way, it's definitely up there now as of the making of this video. God, this is incredible. Again, in this type of thing, and this is still not a crazy amount of volume. It's definitely over what it has, but 5 days, it has gone up, what, 100? Yeah, God, more than 100. A month, probably almost 200, I think, right? Almost 200, yeah. So this growth is pretty incredible, and again, just my opinion. Even though I'm still a long-term holder, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a pullback at some point. I don't know when, because again, you have those catalysts like I talked about before: Biden announcements, full self-driving announcements. You have the Q4 earnings in a couple of weeks, so I'm not sure when there's going to be a pullback, because this is just going to keep getting better and better. And again, plus we also have that, you know, the energy sector as well. You have updates with Giga Berlin. You have updates with Giga Texas. Made in China Model Y now. So it's very excited. Congrats to all of us. We're rich. We're rich. We're rich.